12 out of the mid now, 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 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13,000, you're gonna do 13,000, now 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13,500, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
Next lot, number 83, is a Mitsubishi water jet, 60,000 PSI, 5x10 table, super strong and very, very competent Mitsubishi controller. There's so much you can do with these machines. It's got nesting software on it. There's a lot of options on this particular machine. First, you'll see right down here, we have a crash protection and a probe. That's what sets to material, knows it's not gonna go past anything, make sure there's nothing in the way. Got taper compensation right here. What that's going to do is go ahead and make sure that you have a perfect cut and get your taper. We'll go ahead and let you see a little bit closer up. Here's the program that we're making right now. You can see right where it's at, follow it as it's going. And the nesting compensation. What this is going to do, allow you to put all your pieces in. It's going to go ahead and calculate the maximum amount of space so you can get the most out of that actual piece that you're cutting. Great for production. I'll take a look at a few more things here. This is the garnet retrieval system. You don't see these too often, but it's very, very helpful. What it does is it takes all of the sand out and the garnet from the bottom, and it shoots it over to this guy right here. Gives you a clean bag to go ahead and take it out rather than having to shovel out all your garnet. You also have the water filtration system. And of course your 60,000 PSI pump. Now this is lot number 83. I hope you get it. Good luck. I hope you get a great deal. Thank you.
You're at 9, don't raise your own bid. Now 9,500, sure. 95 to the mid, now 95. Got it. Now 10,000. 10 to the mid, now 10,000. Give me 10. Now 10,5. 10 to the mid, 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 now 10,5.